DJS Karting India is the official go-kart designing team of DJ Sankey College of Engineering. The team was started in 2016 by two enthusiastic students who had the drive to push motorsports to larger audiences. Ever since its introduction, the team has been one of the most successful automotive teams in the college, bringing in trophies year in, year out. We have constantly ranked in national competitions amongst the top 3 in several categories, and we have improved our knowledge sector by a large mile. As a result, our performance peaked in the year 2021, where we were ranked first in this combustion category throughout the country and third overall in the electric category. Every individual that aspires to gain technical knowledge and improve their overall personality will look to be a part of DJS Karting India. Several technical and non-technical departments allow the students to not only hone their practical techniques but also improve in a team atmosphere. It will empower the student to communicate with several marketing executives from various companies, which will hone their management skills and also bring out the leader in them. The college has been really influential in our progress over the years. Right from providing financial support and manufacturing support, they have given us ample flexibility for the working and management of the team and thus backed us thoroughly. Our faculty advisor and HOD have always solved our queries with their own experiences and have pushed us to perform to the best of our capabilities in any competition that we have participated thus far. Definitely, the experience that one acquires under the team in a professional environment sets the student up for the future. It will enable them to tackle problems head on and not crumble under pressure. They can develop a plethora of technical and soft skills that will enable them to work in several industries in the future. I can personally give my own example where I was part of the team and I realized my passion to work in the automotive sector, and this team gave me the right base to go ahead with it. The shift is pioneering in several ways and gives us a lot of opportunities to explore. It was an initiative taken by my seniors in the 2019-2020 season where we manufactured our first electric car. Our debut was groundbreaking for us, where we finished fourth in the endurance event. However, in this pandemic, we could not manufacture the kart, but it gave us the time and framework to improve our kart overall and take it to another level. With the society now moving towards sustainability, EV has become the focus of our team going forward, and it comes with a new challenge and renewed motivation for us to get the best in the category. Fundamentals for everyone to work with. The concepts taught in the classroom are constantly being utilized and applied in several departments for their calculations, design, analysis and optimization of components, and hence attaining the values demanded by the team. In addition, our practicals and workshop experiences have played a major role in sharpening our manufacturing techniques, thus reducing the margin for error and bringing our concepts to life.